How to allow or denied alarms and reminders permission on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. Now in here, tap on the more button, then tap on special access. Next, we then scroll down and tap on alarms and reminders. Now scroll down and select an app that you want to allow or deny access to alarms and reminders. So for example, Maps. If you want to allow it, you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So here, Samsung Free doesn't need to have access to my alarms and reminders, so I can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.